Hello, welcome to Mr. A's Maths Today. Here's today's question. It's on basic probability. It's a foundation and higher question. When you're ready, pause the video, give it a go. Okay, a relatively simple probability question today. It's only worth 2 marks. The diagram shows a fair spinner. Fair just means it's equally likely to land on any of those. It's in the shape of a regular octagon. Octagon is an 8-sided shape. You don't really need to know that for this question. The spinner can land on A, B or C. Mark spins the spinner. Write down the probability the spinner will land on A. We can give probability answers as decimals or fractions. I think in this case it might make more sense to make it a fraction. There is something you need to remember. You need to know how to calculate the probability. The probability is equal to the number of ways of getting what you want. This is in its simplest form. The number of ways of getting what you want divided by the total number of possibilities. Total number of possibilities. So the number of ways of getting what you want, well, what I want in this question is the probability it will land on A. I want to know the A's. The number of ways of getting an A, well, I've got 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 A's. So 3 is my top number. It really is as simple as this. Divided by or over the total number of possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 possibilities. And that's my answer, 3 8s. It's sometimes helpful on probability questions if you think of 3 out of 8. 3 out of 8. I've got 3 chances out of 8 of scoring an A. Hope that helps. Here's today's challenge question. When you are ready, pause the video and give it a go. Don't forget to put your answers in the comments below. Let's get a bit of a discussion going. Let's see if you agree with other people. If you disagree, why do you disagree? I just think it's the best way to revise. And don't forget, a maths question a day keeps those bad grades at bay. Bye for now.